guys, and welcome back to Renee G TV. Today I thought I would show you a quick and easy way to make sloppy joes. And what I've done is I'm cooking about 1.5 pounds of lean ground beef, and I've got that in my pan and I'm just crumbling that up. I'm going to go ahead and add my other ingredients here. I have a small onion chopped, a couple cloves of garlic, and you can use bell pepper, but I have sweet peppers. I have red and yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and just add all that in right now. And we are just going to cook this until the meat is crumbling. And then we are going to continue on with our ingredients. Okay, so we have cooked our meat and we have let our onions and peppers and garlic and all just kind of get tender. Now what we're going to do is we are going to add 1 cup of water. We are also going to add 3/4 of a cup of ketchup. Okay. Let's turn up this stove just a touch. We're going to add that in. What I might end up doing is putting you guys on the other side of me. It might work a little bit better. So we're going to add that in. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And we're just going to put that in right along with that. We're going to add just a splash or 2 of Worcestershire sauce. And by the way, guys, this recipe is actually kid-friendly. My little boy likes it quite a bit. And then we're going to add some mustard. And if you have Dijon, that's great. I just have regular mustard. So we're going to add about 1 teaspoon. Okay. We're going to let this just simmer together for a couple of minutes here, and we're going to let that cook down just a little bit, and then we're going to continue on. Okay, so we have all of our ingredients combined in the pan, and we're just going to let this simmer on low until the water has evaporated. That's going to take about 30 minutes or so, and we'll come back once it's a little bit further along. Okay, so we are done cooking it. It took about 30 minutes or so, and you can see that there is no liquid in the pan. It is a nice thick consistency, and when you scoop it up with a spatula, it kind of stays together. Okay, so I'm going to get this ready and plate this up. All right, guys, so there it is. Very simple, quick, and easy meal, homemade, better than the stuff you get from a can, and definitely kid approved. Give it a try. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know how you eat your sloppy joe. We slap some cheese on there and we're good to go. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, give it a quick thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much.